I knew about neurosomatic therapy a long time ago. I've been a massage therapist for 15 years, but I knew about it, but I never, there's a lot of modalities out there, and I never really gave it too much thought to like, yeah, I need to learn neurosomatic therapy or whatever. So about during the pandemic, I went to go help out a friend, and I was working out of a gym, and people were coming up to me expecting me to do the same work as my friend did. And I felt stupid, honestly, because I couldn't do it. And then my lovely girlfriend over here, she was like, why don't you do your own thing? She's like, you're good enough for it, you know, like you can do your own thing. And I was like, I know I can. But I said, if I was gonna do my own thing, I'm missing something. And I remember looking at Paul's DVDs, like way back in the day. And I just remember like, I couldn't, sorry, Paul. And I just remember like when I used to look at these videos, like I did not understand what he was trying to, you know, come across or anything like that. So then I asked my friend like, hey, where's the school at? And he was like, Clearwater. And I was like, okay, that's far. And then they told me that they had ALP classes, which is like continuing education classes for massage therapists. Then I looked at how my friend struggled for years just trying to find his footing and to do this properly. So then I called the VA, told them what was going on, and I made the decision after I talked to, I think it was Sparky and Brennan. I was like, well, let me just take the risk and just come to the school. Like, I didn't realize what I was able to do until my research patient, she wasn't able to lay in bed for 15 minutes. And then by a treatment 7 or 8, she was able to lay in bed for like 6 to 8 hours. And I was just like, man, I was like, this stuff works.